my God!
Wow.
So you're telling me this little thing made those big changes? I think I never had like a very, very good mattress like in my life. So I'm very interested to know how it feels like.
Wow! Oh my goodness, this is so nice.
Yeah, this is good. I like this.
Can I slip?
I don't even feel you. Just move.
1, 2, 3.
Whoa, never would have thought.
That's
Oh,
crazy.
that's really nice.
And now when you see that, you said, what?
Hey, do you like it?
Yes!
I thought it was completely something different.
You automatically think of, all right, need a new mattress, just get rid of the old one.
And it's more convenient because a mattress is expensive.
We're gonna have to buy one for you now.
Good night.